Welcome to iPacky. In this video we will demonstrate how to add and edit users in iPacky. We strongly encourage you to add all users to iPacky, and not share users. This is because iPacky records what's happening with the order checking, and this can be viewed and used in reports. There is no cost per user. Click on Users. Here you will see the current users and their roles. You can also hide disabled users. Click the Add button to add a user. Or click on the Edit icon to edit an existing user. All screens in iPacky has a help icon. Use this to get help about the screen you're on. Type the full name of the user. Type the short name of the user. This should not be the same as the full name. The short name is used several places in iPacky to save screen space. If necessary, enter the email address. Must be unique in iPacky, and does not have to be an email address that exists. The email is only necessary if this user will log in through the iPacky dashboard. Enter the password recovery email address. This is only necessary if it's a different email than the one entered above, or that email does not exist. An existing user can be disabled. It's not possible to delete a user that has been checking an order. Select the roles for this user. Do not give a user more access than they need. Usually the role is packer or validator. An administrator, for example, does not need the role of supervisor or operator, for example, since it will already have those roles. Only users with packer and validator role will be shown in the user selection box when starting iPacky from Shopify. Read more in the help system. The user linking is only available if you have multiple stores connected in iPacky. This must be set up by iPacky support. Select the connected store, and a user in that store to connect to. Click the Add button. The user is now connected to a user in the other store. This makes it possible to switch to a user in another store without logging out, and in again. Enter the password if email is specified on the user. Users without email does not have password. Retype in field below. Click the Save button. In this case, the secure password requirements were not met. It must have a minimum length of 8, 1 lowercase, 1 uppercase, 1 digit and 1 non-alphanumeric character. Click the Save button. In the list you will see the newly created user. Thank you for watching. More instruction videos are available at our website www.ipacky.com.